Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to embed your Lovable AI web app inside your Shopify store. Start by opening your Shopify store and signing in to your admin dashboard. On the left side, click on Online Store. Then click on Themes. This will show the current theme that your store is using. Now click the Customize button. This will open the theme editor where you can make changes to your store's layout. Inside the editor, you'll see different sections like header, footer, or template areas for your pages. Choose where you want your Lovable web app to appear. For example, if you want it on the header, select the header. Then click on Add a section. A list of section types will appear. Scroll or search for Custom Liquid and click on it to add it to your page. Now, it will show an empty field asking for a liquid code. This is where we'll place the code that connects your Lovable app to Shopify. To get this code, you can ask ChatGPT to generate it. Simply open ChatGPT and ask, "Generate a code to embed my Lovable web app using Shopify Custom Liquid." ChatGPT will give you a short code block that contains an iframe. Copy that entire code. Return to Shopify and paste that code inside the Custom Liquid field. It will not appear just yet because the iframe needs your web app link. To get that link, go to your Lovable AI dashboard and open your project. In the top right corner, click on Publish. Then click on the URL shown below. It will open your live web app in a new tab. Copy the full URL from the browser's address bar. Go back to Shopify and replace the placeholder link in the code with your Lovable web app URL. Now when you preview the store, your web app will appear right inside the Shopify page. Once it looks good, click Save. Thanks for watching.